So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about a human skeleton. Okay, so we start. Just a minute, I will arrange the camera, then we will start. Okay, see. So in human skeleton, what we will learn today. So you can see here. Just a minute. So we start. I hope my voice is audible, and then we start. Okay. So so this is our human skeleton, right? So see, our chapter name is right here. Just a minute. Human skeleton, human skeleton. Okay, so this is our chapter name. So in human skeleton, what we study about, so this is a class, so this is a class 11th chapter. So that chapter name is locomotion and movement. Okay, movement. So first of all, we will understood what is the meaning of skeleton. So I write here some important point. So you also write first of all, and then we will understood about a diagram also. Okay, so in human skeleton, so we will understood about some important topic as like, see, there are two type of skeleton system. Just a minute, it's not working. Exoskeleton, and one is endoskeleton. So meaning of exoskeleton, so this is the outside, present in outside, just a minute, I write properly. So present in outside, we will write here present in inside. Okay, and then second point is they mostly, this is dead and this is living, living. And third point is, see, mostly, so this is a ectodermal origin, ORI origin, and this is a mostly ecto in mesodermal, mesodermal origin. Okay, see, so third, so I write here example, some hair, nail, and then horn. Okay, as soon, and in this side example, so we know na, as like capillary, human skeleton, that's it. So before we start, I read something, some important point. So just a minute. So in human skeleton, see, we will say some important point as like, so this is a red color part, right? So in this red color part, we say about a axis, and this blue color part, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this blue color part we say a appendicular. So meaning of axis, that means this whole red region is known as what? Axis. That means their total bone is 80, and appendicular is how much? 126. Okay, let's we understood about what I am saying. This line here, I make some diagram. So you also make a diagram. This is very important to understood about this concept. Just a minute, I want to change the color. See, just a minute. See, this part, and this is a leg part. and this is hand, and this is also hand. So see, in this part is known as pectoral girdle. Okay, so pectoral girdle, how much? So there are two, and here also two. So this is a pelvic girdle, P-E-L-V-I-C, pelvic or D-L-E, and this is also pelvic girdle. So that means the total bone is 1, and this is pectoral girdle, P-R-E-C-T, pectoral, G-R-I-D-L-E, pectoral girdle. So meaning of this, so this is our hand. That means in hand there is, this side is 30, and this side is also 30, and this side, this leg part is 30, and this leg part also 30. So what I'm saying, so just a minute, I want to change the color. See, so this area, this whole area, this one, so this one is known as axis. So axis have total how much? My pen is not working, that's why my writing is this type. So what I'm saying, axis is a 80 total bond, and appendicular, just a minute. So appendicular is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 30 into 4. So when we calculation this, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3. So our total bone is appendicular side is 126. Just a minute, I want to try to explain once more. See what I'm saying. This is a head region, and this is our hand. Here phalanges here, and this is also this one, and this is our leg. Okay, so our question is, so this region, see, this whole region, just a minute, this whole region is known as axis. So axis have a total 81. So in axis we see about a head, this whole body part, that means this one, vertebral column, right, and so many part is this. So this is a axis part is total how much? 80. But when we explain about this one, so this is pectoral girdle is 2, and this part is also 2, and this hand is 30, and this hand also 30, and this leg is 30, and this leg is also 30. So when we calculations here, and this pelvic girdle is 1, and sorry 1, yeah, correct. So meaning of pelvic, so this is a pelvic girdle, and this is a pectoral girdle. So when I write here, see, so 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 into 30 into 4. Why? Because 2 side hand and 2 legs, so 30 is, I hope you understood how girth is 126 here. So let's we understood about this diagram also. See, in this diagram, so just a minute, I want to explain this one. Yeah. So this hand side is 30, and this hand side is 30. This leg has 30, and this leg also 30. So so this side, this is pectoral girdle 2, and this is also 2, and this part is 1, and this part is 1. So total bone is how much? So let's we understood about if I write here appendicular, so 30 into 4 plus 1 into 1, sorry, 1 into 2 is right. So and then plus 2 into 2. So 126, and then axis part is 80. So 80 is this red color. I hope you understood this one, right? So let's we move with the concept of some important point. So I have so many diagram here. So see, so we will understood about to try how it's working, and see we will understood reefs also. And I have so many diagram which try to the understood about how it's working, and how we gotta remember this thing. So before we start, so I write some important points here. uh, some important point. So this is a very important. So first point is, so new in fetus, fetus. Fetus is this child have a 306 bones. And second is newborn baby. Newborn baby have how much? 200 270 born. And third is 25 years adult. So this have a 206 bonds. I hope you understood. This is very easy concept, and you gotta remember this one. Okay. So now we will understood about first of all we understood this one. See, you see this my hand. So this hand we will understood here to here how many bone is here, and how is working as like this. See, my hand is doing as like this, and how it's hinge join, that means I doing this, but when I doing it's a broken, right? So we will try to, if I doing as like this, it's okay. If I move here, that means so many concept is there. So let's restart how is working about our hand. So now we will understood this side, that means this part, because in NCERT first of all they want to explain this part, so that's why we will understood about this one. So this is a part of this part is known as bacterial girdle. Okay, my question is, so you can see here, so can I make a diagram, and then we will understood. See what I'm saying. Just a minute. So you also make a diagram. Okay. So this is a head region. Here deltoid. This is a scapula. You see. So backside when we're doing as like this, so backside is some bone is outside, right? So that means this is a scapula. I hope you understood. Scapula, and this is a head region. So you can see here this ball like structure, they attach to the our scapula as like, see this is a ball socket, right? So when I'm moving this part, that means this bone is go to the inside, and this hole as like is go to the inside. So that means this is a head like structure, you can see here. And after that, see when I'm moving here as like, after that it's broken, right? If I forcefully, then it's going to the backside, that means it's a broken, because our scapula is some means blockage. So there is some capillaries also here and here also. So this capillaries to the binding of this type of bone. Okay, and this is a lateral, lateral epicondyal, and this is a medial epicondyal. So meaning of this, there is a one type of ball like structure here, and then after that one bone this type of structure. Here medial epicondyal is, there is a one bone is going to the inside, and then this type of structure here, and this comes here, and as like, see our hand, see when I do this, when I do this, that means it's going it's just like a blockage, right? So that means blockage part is medial epicondyle, and then I am doing here this. So that means this part have a two bond. One is a lateral epicondyal and second is a medial epicondyal. And then after that there are four small bond. So this is a proximal and this is a distal. So this both are called carpal. And the one is this type of structure here. There are 5 structure, 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So this is a metacarpal, META, metacarpals. Okay, and then after that in this case, so lateral side is our thumb. So in thumb we see about a 2 phalangein, and here 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 1 2 3. So our formula is 2:3:3:3:3. So here total bond is 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. Here 5 and here how much? 8 and here 2 and here 1. So this side is known as humerus. So let's we count 1 plus 2 is, well, let me 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 14. So 14 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 19 plus 8 is 26, right? And 26 plus 5 is 31. How? Just a minute. 1 2, okay, 2 2 and then this is a 8, yeah, 8. So 11 plus 5 is 11 plus 5 is 16. Yeah, 16 plus 14 is 30. I hope you understood, right? So our this hand, that means this right hand is how much? 30. So this right hand have a 30 and left hand also 30. I hope you understood this one, right? If you understood, then you do a proper comment in my channel and we will start it continue in tomorrow. Okay, bye, have a nice day.